So what is going on, everyone? Herman Boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you how to update all your drivers on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. I've not tested it on Windows 7 though, but it will work definitely on Windows 8 and Windows 10. And this software is called a driver booster, and this is how it looks like. I've put the link in the description. When you download, it's going to bring you a folder that is zipped. Just right click or just try opening it, and you can extract to the desktop, and it's already extracted here. So after installing, so what you're going to do is go ahead and go to the setup. Yeah, try installing. Hopefully, I know everyone knows how to install this. Yes, this is how it looks. Go ahead and install. I already have it installed. But are you sure you want to cancel the? Yes, I want to cancel the installation. So after installing the setup, wait to open it. Just simply come to the icon here. Go to file location. Yes, if it drops you into the file location, just come to the crack folder here that comes in the download file. Copy both, copy, and come and paste them. Okay, just come here, right click, copy, then go to you saw how we right click onto this, go to open file location. It will take you to where this software is located and where it has been downloaded. Do not open it before you crack it. So we're copying these files into the driver booster main folder. Okay, just right click anywhere and paste. So it's going to tell you replace the files. Yes, go ahead, replace the files. Yes, continue. Okay, it's not opening because I already have it running here, but you know that's how to do. So if you're not running it and the first time installation, just go ahead, replace it, and it will be good to go. So this is how it looks like. Just go ahead. If it launches like this, automatically it will be telling you that your Windows your driver status is outdated. Sorry. So just come here, just scan. It's going to go through your PC, and yes, it's going to tell you the drivers that need to be updated. Yeah, so what you'll need to do, the only thing that you will need to do is simply go into update here. Just press update, and it will start downloading all the updates you need. So I'm not ready to download them now. I'll have to maybe stop it, but it's already installing something. Check into the description, and you'll find this software is amazing. It's already patched. It's not going to ask you to buy more stuff. It also has a game boosting. If you love playing games on your PC, it also has this configuration of game boost. So what it does, it stops most of the services that you're not going to be needing while playing your game. Okay, you can see it's reducing the light of the PC. Yeah, so it has released 799 MBs of RAM. Yeah, that definitely will work for you well. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.